Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Gerard on one, the only one. Back with another video, yes sir, today, man. So, I been want to talk about this video, you know what I'm saying? If you already didn't, go check out my video with the foam runners, you know what I'm saying? I did that on feet of them things. Definitely most comfortable, you know what I'm saying? Slip on, slide, shoe, whatever you want to call it. But we ain't here to talk about that. We here to talk about Adidas, man. What's up, bro? Went on my Yeezy slide. My foam runners came in yesterday. And y'all tripping, man. What's going on with the orders, bro? Y'all take somebody money, ain't you know what I'm saying? At least Night Gap gon', you know what I'm saying, they gon' give you money back the next day or something. Y'all making brothers and sisters wait for whole weeks and ain't even saying nothing. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got somebody ordering processing. Like, what's going on? I'm hearing people orders getting canceled and all that. I talked to Adidas rep talking about your order might come through. Heard might. Not, it's saying it's coming through. It's confirmed. It's in processing. That's what I've been saying since I, you know what I'm saying, wanted to slide. I'm like, oh, I want to slide. Y'all see me post a slide winter. I'm like, oh, bet. You know what I'm saying? Like, dang, what's going on? So, I don't know what's going on with it. But when I'm hearing everybody saying canceling orders and people getting refund and all that good stuff, but I haven't got a refund, my order haven't getting canceled, so I don't know. And then I was like, man, you know what? Just refund my money back, bro. Because I'm not about to keep seeing it say in processing. Even when I look up the order number, it's not even saying it's even, you know what I'm saying, searchable or anything like that. I'm like, bro, what is going on, Adidas? And I feel like what Adidas did, and correct me if I'm wrong, man. Comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all having this problem as well. I think what's going on, they was down there tearing by winners, but they ain't got that meat in the warehouse. I don't know. You never know nowadays. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, that's what I'm thinking. I think they just had everybody win, and look back at the warehouse like, damn, we haven't got enough. You even said this and then the other. So I don't know what they're trying to do. Me personally, I feel like, shoot, if I won, shoot, give me another slide or something. Or for the sliders coming out, I got some other colorways coming out. Here go the picture. The next following colorway is supposed to be coming out. Shoot, give me one of those or something. You know what I'm saying? Or either one, refund or give me for the next guarantee win on the next one. Either way, I will be perfectly fine with it. But hey, you never know nowadays, bro. So, but I'm making a video like something super quick because I'm just wondering, like, what's going on? Like, what's going on, Adidas? What's going on, y'all? And this raw. This ain't gonna be no edit, no nothing. This straight raw. Straight to it, like now. But for real though, man. So hope everybody, man, having a good day, bro. And hope everybody, they orders get pushed through. Hope everybody get their slides, their shoes, whatever they waiting on, man. Because I know a lot of people have been waiting on this Yeezy day, man. And now more Yeezys coming out. So we gonna see and find out, bro. So hopefully y'all get your shoes, your slides. Hopefully I get my slides. But it's not a bad idea though, like I said. So say if you didn't, like, if you're ordering processing right now, say if it's in processing. But you know what I'm saying, the Yeezy slide come out or Yeezy shoe come out, they just be like, okay, since you ain't win your slide, here you another slide for the next release. I'm not saying give me a shoe or something like that, because of course it's a big difference. But just give me a slide that's supposed to be coming out. Or if you win on the shoe, you get that next shoe to come out following that. Even though it's not the shoe that you want, shoot, just bang that slide or shoe, whatever you want, and get the shoe that you really, really want. Even though Adidas down there say you won, but reality, we didn't really win. They just holding brothers' monies, sisters' monies and all that. Come on now. But I think that's a nice suggestion, though. I don't know if Adidas gonna be watching this, but that would be not a bad suggestion at all. But some people like, nah, I don't want to wait. Just give me my money. So either way it go, I'll be perfectly fine with it. But we'll see. But like I said, comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all going through the same thing or anything like that. Like I said, I got my phone yesterday. FedEx, you know what I'm saying, dropped it off to me. I'm like, okay, so I got my phone runners, but where my slides at? That's what I knew was something up, and I seen people making videos about it and stuff. So I'm like, yeah, we about to get nip this in the bud right now. So like I said, hopefully everybody y'all get y'all slides and shoes, man. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new. Roll to that 2K. I'm doing a giveaway at 2K subscribers, man. So let's get to it, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. Gerald is out. Peace.